This video is narrated by the Snoop D-O-double-G. That's me, your Snoop Doggy Dog, so listen carefully as my main man Tigger is gonna save your bike from damage and save your wallet from paying for it. First, I have a couple questions for you, so let me know in the comments. I read each comment and respond as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find the answers to your questions. It takes only a second and would help me and this channel immensely. First question, I'm experimenting with the Insta361 RS camera with a 4K lens. This video is in third-person view. What do you think of the third-person view, or should I just face mount the camera for first-person view? Leave your answer in the comments. Next question. The background music I use is from Kingvardo. He is a good friend of mine. After this video, can you like and subscribe to his channel? Link will be in the comments. And leave him a comment saying your boy Tigger sent you over. On to the reason you are here watching this video. I watched a lot of first drive videos on YouTube before I bought my Rebel. In these videos, the writers are switching the motorcycle modes on the fly. I thought this was a safe and convenient way to shift modes and definitely a selling feature of the bike. By that I mean shifting between rain mode, standard mode, sport mode, and user mode. After unboxing my Rebel, if you haven't seen the video, you can check my uploads and find it. It was cold in Calgary, so my Rebel 1100 sat parked for a while. In that time, I read the owner's manual. Twice in the manual it states that shifting between modes should only be done when the motorcycle is stopped. So to sum up, do not change modes while you are moving on the bike. Doing so may damage your new toy. I will provide photos of the manual at the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something, and you can thank me in the comments for saving your new motorcycle from damage. Also, don't forget to answer my first questions in this video and subscribe to my brother Kingvardo. He has some really good music. I downloaded and played in my Hummer cranked up. There is something about being one of the few that listen to this music. It makes me unique. There is also the fact that I like to be the one to introduce my friends to new music and share the pure enjoyment that music gives to people. Anyway, cheers all. Remember that you are important, you are loved, and your opinion matters. Much love from your boy Tigger. I will see you. So stick around to end and watch the proof. It's from the owner's manual. And don't forget to subscribe. Tigger needs YouTube money as voiceovers like this by the Snoop Doggy Dog are not cheap.
Only one downfall. That's because I can hit you, I'll blow your back out. But when I'm in the booth, you know I spaz out. I'm spitting back straight through, no cap now. I'm no rookie, I graduated, no capping gown. I ain't up next, bitch, I'm up now. Not looking forward to it, but I wanna bust it. And I make it time my mama sitting down in a big house. Hey nigga, yeah, that's big flex. How your nigga sticking, you ain't fixed that. You can't find no pussy cat inside my dog trap. If a nigga snitching, no, we ain't with that. Pussy nigga get his shit snatched. I got niggas snappy like a kid cat. Brody hit your.
You are loved. and your opinion matters. Much love from your boy Tigger. I will see you.